Welcome to the module on educational inequalities, a critical component of our course on innovation and entrepreneurship in education. This module will explore the disparities in educational access and quality, both within local contexts and across the globe. As future innovators and entrepreneurs in education, understanding these inequalities is crucial for developing solutions that are both impactful and sustainable. Learning objectives to understand the various dimensions of educational inequalities, analyze the causes and consequences of these inequalities, explore innovative solutions to bridge educational gaps, reflect on the role of entrepreneurship in addressing educational disparities. Section 1. Understanding educational inequalities. 1.1 Dimensions of educational inequality. Access. Differences in the availability of educational resources and opportunities. Quality variations in the quality of education received by different groups. Outcomes. Disparities in educational achievements and future opportunities. Activity. Reflect on your own educational journey. Identify any inequalities you have experienced or observed. How did they impact your learning? Local inequalities. Examine case studies of educational disparities within your community or country. Global inequalities. Explore international reports and data on global educational disparities. Discussion prompt. How do local educational inequalities compare to global ones? What factors contribute to these differences? In this section, we will delve into the causes and consequences of educational inequalities. Understanding these factors is crucial to addressing the disparities that exist in our education systems. Let's explore the causes of educational inequalities, socioeconomic factors, the impact of income, wealth and social status, geographical barriers, urban versus rural education access, cultural and linguistic diversity challenges faced by minority groups, policy and governance, the role of government policies in perpetuating or alleviating inequalities. Now let's examine the consequences of educational inequalities. Economic impact. How educational disparities affect economic growth and development. Social implications. The role of education in social mobility and cohesion. Personal development. The effect of educational inequalities on individual potential and well-being. Case study. Analyze a real-world example of educational inequality. What were the causes and consequences in this case? Section 3. Innovative solutions to educational inequalities. Technological innovations EdTech solutions. Explore how technology is being used to provide access to quality education. Digital divide. Addressing the gap in technology access and usage. Inclusive policies, are really making a difference. We have some great examples of policies that have successfully reduced educational inequalities. And let's not forget about public-private partnerships. These collaborations play a crucial role in driving educational change. Local innovations are fascinating. Communities are coming up with solutions that are tailored to their unique challenges. Plus, entrepreneurial approaches are making waves. Social entrepreneurship is becoming a key player in education. Now let's get creative. Design a hypothetical educational initiative aimed at reducing inequalities in your local context. Think about the resources you would need, the stakeholders involved, and the potential impact your initiative could have. In this section, we'll explore the vital role that entrepreneurship plays in education. Innovation in education is crucial. Entrepreneurs have the power to drive change and create new opportunities. Risk and resilience are key. Adaptability and perseverance are essential traits in educational entrepreneurship. Let's dive into the profiles of changemakers. We'll learn from successful educational entrepreneurs who have tackled inequalities head-on. So, here's something to ponder. As a future educational entrepreneur, how can you contribute to reducing educational inequalities? And what unique skills or perspectives do you bring to this challenge? Educational inequalities are complex and multifaceted, but they also present opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. By understanding the root causes and exploring creative solutions, you can play a pivotal role in transforming education for a more equitable future. Further reading and resources: UNESCO Global Education Monitoring Report, World Bank Education Data, TED Talks on Educational Innovation. Assessment quiz. Test your understanding of the key concepts covered in this module. Project. Develop a proposal for an educational initiative that addresses a specific inequality, incorporating feedback from peers and instructors. Thank you for engaging with this module. We hope it has inspired you to think critically about educational inequalities and motivated you to become a catalyst for change in the field of education.